For over 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has towered above the desert sands. Guarding its secrets in silence, in 2017, scientists made a discovery that stunned the world. A mysterious, massive void hidden deep inside the pyramid. No entrances, no writings, no visible access. What lies inside this sealed chamber? A forgotten tomb, a lost technology, or something that changes everything we know about ancient Egypt and granite blocks? And built without modern tools. Its very existence raises questions about the knowledge of its builders. The Great Pyramid isn't just the largest of Egypt's pyramids, it is a masterpiece of precision, aligned almost perfectly with true north, constructed from over 2 million limestone. But even after centuries of study, this pyramid still guards secrets. In 2017, researchers used Muon radiography, a cutting-edge scanning method that detects cosmic particles passing through stone, to peer inside the pyramid without drilling or digging. No carvings, no records of its existence in any ancient texts. The result? A previously unknown chamber, over 30 meters long, located above the Grand Gallery. There are no known pathways leading to it. It is, as far as we know, untouched since the day it was sealed. So what could be inside? Some archaeologists believe it may be a second burial chamber, the real tomb of Pharaoh Khufu, hidden from grave robbers for thousands of years. Others suggest it might have held ceremonial artifacts, religious items, or even celestial tools used to map the stars. Then come the more controversial ideas. Was it an energy chamber? Any attempt to drill through could damage the structure or destroy what's inside. A space meant for communicating with the divine, or even a vault preserving knowledge from a lost civilization, or something not of this world. The pyramid's precision, astronomical alignments, and now this chamber have reignited debates about whether ancient Egyptians knew more than we ever imagined. Here lies the tension. We've found something extraordinary, yet we can't reach it. The chamber is completely sealed. So for now, all we have are scans, shadows, and speculation. This has sparked conflict among scholars. Some demand immediate exploration, even if it risks harm. Others argue we must wait until technology allows us to open it safely, if ever. Meanwhile, theories grow, the mystery intensifies, and the Great Pyramid remains, as always, silent.